Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunshola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. I've got something very interesting for every one of us today. Whether you're an entrepreneur, that is maybe you have your own business, or you are working in any organization anywhere in the world, today's video should be very useful for you. Also, are you a business management student in any university anywhere in the world? Today's topic should be very interesting for you as well. This is because today I talk about lean management and the 4 principles of lean management. Okay, thank you as you enjoy. So, do you own your own business and business is booming? Your operations are successful. That means your business is doing well and you are thinking of expanding. Or perhaps you do not own your business, but you work in an organization and business is doing well, operations is successful, and the organization is thinking of expanding. That's great. But also, this is the riskiest time for your business. In fact, many businesses do not survive such transition. By that, I mean many businesses are already doing well, but then they want to expand. It could be to introduce new products. It could be to go into new markets, but that is very difficult for many businesses. Then there are several questions that businesses or entrepreneurs are asking in this kind of situation. They are saying, should they put more money into investing in new machinery? Should they hire more staff? Should they make the staff the already existing staff work more time? Several questions are being asked. The answers to this question will make or break the business. And this is where lean management comes in. When we talk about lean management is about delivering value, but delivering value from the customer's perspective. Yeah? Lean management is about eliminating waste, eliminating all forms of waste within the organization. Lean management is about continuous improvement, that is to continuously improve the processes within your organization. This is what lean management is about. When we talk about lean management can radically change the way you do business. And that's why I want to talk about the 4 principles of lean management. Let's start with the first principle. First principle of lean management, pull. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can see that. Pull. I spell that then. P-U-L-L, pull. This principle is a concept where rather than producing as much as possible, you are relying on customer demands to pull goods and services through the manufacturing process. This minimizes overproduction, inventory, and working capital. So the pull strategy, which is a lean management strategy, again, minimizes overproduction, inventory, and working capital. Let's talk about the second strategy, which is known as the one-piece flow. One-piece flow, that's the second strategy. This focuses on one single piece at a time. It minimizes work in progress, process eruptions, and lead and waiting time. So when we talk about the one-piece flow, which is the second strategy that I'm talking about here, it focuses on the concept where the organization focuses on one single piece at a time. It minimizes work in progress, it minimizes process eruptions, it minimizes lead time and waiting time. Having said this, it also increases quality and flexibility, one piece flow. I'd just like to put that there, one piece flow. So I already talked about 2 concepts of lean management. I talked about the pull strategy. I talked about one piece flow. The third strategy is known as Takt. This is spelled T-A-K-T, Takt. This is the heartbeat of the lean system. It is how fast you need to manufacture a product so that you can meet the customer demand. It allows for us to achieve continuous flow and respond flexibly to changes in the marketplace. That is the third principle of lean management. And finally, I talk about the last principle, which is zero defects. When we talk about zero defects, of course, mistakes will happen or mistakes can happen. But with a lean company or a company that adopts lean management, this mistake is detected and it never gets to the end user. So mistakes from previous steps are spotted and they are fixed and they never get to the end user. That is zero defects. I just had the next two strategies. So we have pull, we have one piece flow, we have Takt, and then we have zero, and then we have zero defects. And these are four principles of lean management. When we combine these four principles of lean management with continuous improvement processes, that is Kaizen, continuous improvement is called Kaizen in Japan, then that means that the lean management will help our company to stay ahead of the huge competition that we have in the business environment. I hope that you have enjoyed that video on lean management and the four principles of lean management. Of course, you know I'd like to hear from you. Please send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com. We want to know how we can serve you better. Of course, you are viewing this video on YouTube. If you like this and you have learned something about lean management and the four principles of lean management, please give this video a thumbs up or drop your comments in the comment section. We want to know how we can serve you better. Of course, you can visit our website www.idpsconsults.com. Again, we want to know how we can serve you better. You know that I will not go until I talk about my passion. And my passion is that Africa must develop, Africa must unite. That's why I say, are you an African anywhere in the world seeing this video? Keep doing everything to make sure that Africa must develop, and keep doing everything to make sure that Africa must be united. Africa must develop. This is the end of the video, and therefore I'd like to say thank you very much in English language. Thank you all from the Netherlands, and Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa. Ẹ ṣé o. Bye.